Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to take screenshots on your Mac. MacBooks include built-in screenshot tools, and once you learn a couple of keyboard shortcuts, capturing anything on your screen becomes very quick. If you want to save a picture of your entire screen, press Shift, Command, and the number 3 at the same time. As soon as you release the keys, your Mac will capture everything visible on the display and automatically save the screenshot, usually on your desktop. You can open the image right away to review it, make simple edits, crop it, or add notes using the built-in preview tools before sharing it with someone else. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips that can help you get more done with your devices. Now, if you only need part of the screen instead of the whole display, use a different shortcut. Press Shift, Command, and the number 4 together. Your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click and hold your trackpad or mouse button, then drag across the area you want to capture. Once you've selected the section you need, release the button and the screenshot will be taken automatically. This method is useful when you want to focus on a specific window, image, or piece of information without including everything else on the screen. As a quick tip, if you make a mistake while selecting an area, simply press the Escape key and start the selection again. You can also find your screenshots in Finder if they're not visible on your desktop. That's all it takes to take screenshots on a Mac. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.